Hello everyone, today I will show you how can we fill our annual reports. But firstly we should know what is it and why it is important of annual reports. Firstly, I want to give you some general information about annual reports. Annual reports is just about your status update for your business, and they state just want you, are you still in business, and where is your office located, and who is charged. But there's have some problems, and if we don't file it, what happen? Firstly, you'll lose your good standing. If you lose your good standing, you won't be able to get business loans or sign big contracts. And also, yes, there's have some states charge hundreds of dollars in penalties, and also the state can literally delete your LLC or corporation, leaving your personal assets at risk. So for this reason, you should fill your annual reports during April. Okay, how to do it? Firstly, you should find your state portal and go to your state's SOS website, search your state's Secretary of State. Next, when you find it, you enroll your, maybe it's log in your state SOS website, or if you don't have any login and account, you should create a new one. And when you log in, and next step is finding your business, so status is active or not. Then you should verifying information, so about your business details, including address, registered agent information, and so on. When you already finish and fill all information, just assign and paying. So this is fee is for paying. It depends on your state fee and where you're registered your business. You should pay this fee. Now I will show you how can we fill our business in the real SOS website. Firstly, I want to talk about my business status. I couldn't share step by step because I have some sensitive information, and this is not for good for publish online. For these reasons, I couldn't share some information, and just click and share how can we fill it and step by step, and there's don't have all information. When you watch my videos, you will able to fill your annual reports. And my business registered in Montana state. For these reasons, I should fill my Montana Secretary of State. When I click here and I log in because I already have account, and when I log in, I saw my information about here. And firstly, I click here and write my traffic accounting LLC and search it. When I search it, you can see my some document, filing actions, file annual reports, and request information. We need just file in your reports. We click here. When we click here, you can see this already. We open our annual reports and 2026. And firstly, you should follow these all steps. First step is the filling information. This is the general information about your in your reports information, and what is that all in your reports statute, reference, and so on. Just click next step. And when you next step, you can see entity details about your business type, business name, business country, and so on. And just scroll down and follow this next step, because you can add or change this information because already according to Montana or your state, security states. Just click next step, and when you next step or read all these entity addresses, this is about your business's addresses in mailing addresses and agency addresses and so on. All if you're registered by agent, you should, and you can see your information, all information here. When you check your information address, just click next step, and also you can see your registered agents in your state. This is my MT, and I check my all information about my registered agent. And if you want to add a new registered agent and you don't want to work this agent, so just click found a new registered agent and add some information here. So when you fill and all information this side, just click next step. When you click next step, you can see these principles, and this is about your yourself and your LLC management and business management, and who is pay and or who is manage your company and so on. Just you can see this information, this LLC management by managers or members. My company is single members, and this, so I should choose members. When I look at my information and check my information, just scroll down and next step. When we next step already, we see our review, all information about in your reports. You check again. If you have any problem, just previous step, click previous step, and you can check and add, edit your information. If you everything is okay, just click next step. When you next step already this last step, and you can see these declarations, you should check all boxes. And when we click here, and you can see this site signature. So when you click signatures, you should click signatures capacity, and this is about who is fill this information. If you are and this is maybe is your owner, just click sell because yourself, and you should add your first name and last name and date of for today, not another data. You can add another data. And when you click here and you scroll down, and you can see these positions, select your manager and member if your business is LLC, and your owner. When you click manager member, also scroll down again, and you can see daytime contact, and this is for your phone number and email. You can't add another country number. You should add just only for US number. If you have US number, you can add, but if you don't have any, you should find it. And also at this email address, you can add two type emails, business emails and personal emails. When you finish it, just submit, and when you click submitting, and you can see this submission is successful, and you can download it your forms, two forms. When you download it, and you can see is this type of documents, and this is for your in-year reports, about your in-year reports, and filed by state of Montana, and Secretary of State, file number, data filed, and your about your business type, and so next form is about your certification later. Later is about who is sent this, and Christy Jacobson, and Secretary of State for State of Montana, and your company name and data of in-year reports. And also when you add your email, your state Secretary of State use it, and for this email, when you finish it and already everything is okay, if you approve it, and they send you your some mail, and for thank you for submitting your business filing to the Secretary of State Office. Congratulations, the 2026 in your reports for traffic accounting LLCs approved. And so if you want to check your information, your website, just click business work queue. And this is over about in your reports. If you need some helps and want to ask some questions, don't hesitate it. Just click and contact us. This is our mail and number. This is over about in your reports. I thank you for watching. Bye for now.